I saw this on another group earlier on today. Some guy was asking how he could create this diamond pattern. So I thought that'd be a good little one to do. Give you some ideas of how you could actually do this and create some nice sharp corners on it. Because as you can see on this one, when it does this cut here, you get a little curve. What I've done is I've drawn a box out. This is 4.5 inches by 3 inches, or 110 millimeters by 75 millimeters, I think it is. And then I've just used the drawing tab and used our draw a line polyline tool and created some polylines. As you can see, we've done that one there. These are just straight lines straight across, and these two here are also joined. Then once we've done this, we go across to our toolpaths, profile toolpath. Now, if we select all the paths in the file and click calculate, and then run the selected profile, as you can see, you're getting all these curvy bits on the ends. So, what you need to do is extend your vector lines off of your work area. I've already done this to save a bit of time. So as you can see, I've extended my lines outside my work area, and these are actually the length of my V-bit tool. My V-bit tool is 17.5 mm in diameter, so I've allowed that plus a bit more. So now, when we go back into our tool cutting path and we select the profile cutting tool, which I've already done, I'll just reopen it. And I've got a cut depth of 6 mm when I'm doing this. What I'll do is I'll select all the vectors again and calculate it and open up the 3D window. So when we run it this time, we get nice sharp finishes on the ends of our work area. But you'll notice we've got this curved bit here. It doesn't come to a sharp point. And the same here, here, and over here. To overcome that, what we can do is we go back to our 2D view. So they're like big V's. And this time we're going to use a different tool. We're going to use the V-carve, just like you cut letters. So this time we'll select where we're going to do the V-carves, and then we'll calculate the profiles for those. Just open up the 2D box again, and also we're going to create a 2D profile path for the centre cross lines. So now, when we do the V's, we get nice sharp points, and then when we do the profile, we get our nice straight lines. We'll zoom in to our 3D, and as you can see now, when we add them curved bits, they're now nice sharp corners on both sides. The only thing we can't get around is we get a slight curve here and a slight curve here. There's not a lot we can do about that because we're using a V-bit tool, and if we try and get a square point there, it will take out this part here. So there is a compromise, but you can get nice straight pointed corners on all the areas. So just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.